Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a tour of Grants Pen in St. Thomas. Now this area has been completely destroyed by the construction of the highway. This ramp that we're driving on now, the government spent an additional $40 million to put in this access ramp to the community, but it didn't seem to help. So what happened was the old road when driving from Kingston to St. Thomas went through Grants Pen. This road that we're on now is actually the old main road. It went through this little community of Grants Pen, and trucks, commuters would always stop in Grants Pen to eat, drink. It was a very busy place. But when the highway was built, a new alignment was put in. So the highway no longer goes through Grants Pen. The road that we were on at the beginning of the video, that's the route of the highway now. So in order to save Grants Pen, because the traffic no longer went through it, the ramp was put in at a cost of $40 million. But as you can see, the place is a ghost town. So the government had mentioned plans of making this area an entertainment area, but to date nothing has been done. As you can see, the area is completely, I shouldn't say completely, but is actually destroyed, basically, the best word I could use. Nothing is happening here compared to what used to be. So this is actually the main road, and you're going to go, as we drive up, you're going to see the highway going across the main road, the old main road I should say. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the building of the ramp and what the government had planned for this area, or has planned. Maybe it's just a matter of time before they implement it. But this road that we're on now is actually the old main road. The Grants Pen community in St. Thomas is to reap economic benefits from the development of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, with plans afoot for the construction of entertainment and rest stop facilities in the area. Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, who toured sections of the parish, including the leg of the highway nearest to the community, gave details of the undertaking. Mr. Holness revealed that an additional $40 million has been pumped into the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project to give Grants Pen residents access to the highway, since the major road network no longer passes through the community. Pointing out that the sum is an investment in the community, he further stated that how it is utilized is going to determine the level of benefits to the community, the community gets. I'm happy to hear from Member of Parliament James Robertson has plans for the community, which include developing the community as a fishing village, putting in entertainment facilities and rest stop facilities, the Prime Minister said. So that little community, which we estimate would have about 500 residents, will now have some economic benefits to gain from this highway being developed, Mr. Holness added. The Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project is being implemented by the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation with co-funding from the Government of Jamaica and China Exim Bank. The objective of the project is to improve the alignment and capacity of the existing Southern Coastal Main Arterial Road to make it safe and efficient, free from flooding, and provide for future development. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. This is the highway, and we're exiting to go into Grants Pen, and you can exit to enter Grants Pen from both directions. They actually put up a stoplight just for this entrance into Grants Pen. I mean, $40 million for this? I'm not sure. Well, as I said, maybe the plans haven't started yet. But guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.